popped this video on to show you where it all began. Originally, before I became an ambassador for WowBao, I entered a competition and I won 12 pots of their acrylic. So I got to choose 12 colours. The one at the top there is mystery. I'm just really rubbish at editing videos, obviously. And all of the other ones are just clearly glitter because, you know, sparkly stuff. So what I did when I got these in the post is I recorded a load of footage of me just showing them off, really, and I never did anything with that footage. So now I know a bit more about the brand, I thought I would do something with it. This is just showing you the pots, beautiful black metallic lids, loads of shelf appeal, all the bump and the legal stuff and the directions and da-di-da on the back that you need. Bottom of the tubs, they've all got stickers with the name and the number, and the numbers are the same in gel polish, so Queen Bee is the same number in gel polish as it is in acrylic. This is a 2-ounce pot, but WowBao do also do 1-ounce pots as well. The 2-ounce pot is just such good value for money. They all come sealed when they come to you, which is amazing. So it's a really dense glitter. Look at that, not even a speck of glitter in that lid anywhere. I love the fact that they all come sealed. I've had so many pots of acrylic in the past come through the post, and you open the box and it's just everywhere. It's just like a glitter, or, well, it's always glitter because it's all I order. It's just like a glitter acrylic explosion. But WowBao, I've never had that problem. I've now pretty much got the entire collection and I've never had an issue with, literally not one speck of glitter has ever managed to escape in the delivery, because those seals are amazing. I'm going to show some swatching. This was the first time I had ever touched WowBao acrylics, so I do use a product a bit dry, which you will see. Here's a swatch stick, if you wanted to know what that was. I fill the underneath of the swatch sticks, mainly because I like to get it nice and thick. What I didn't know is that WowBao stuff is like really top quality. So I was really used to filling up the underside of these swatch sticks with different brands that I had used, because you had to get a really thick layer of it to be able to get a really good idea of what the colour was. Because some of them were a bit marbly, some of them were a bit wishy-washy. Had I known that WowBao stuff is not like that, I could have got away with doing a thin coat on the top. But I'm also really tight, so if you do it like this, you don't have to top coat it, because if you turn it over, it looks like it's already been top coated for you, which yeah, I'm really tight with my top coat. So yeah. But anyway, it's all good fun, and that's what Queen Bee looks like. It's really stunning, really bright yellow, gorgeous glitter inside of it. It's mostly glitter, to be fair. So I'm going to show you, just like after I've swatched, I'm going to show you a little bit on the paper. I do a lot of lamp fiddling, so you can catch the glitter shimmering away in the different lights. Now I have done this whole video at my nail desk with just one nail lamp, so you know, this is probably not the best representation of all of the colours. Gemstone is another colour that I chose because purple's my favourite colour. It has a shimmer in it. It's one of the Shimmer collection, and it's a really subtle shimmer, really super fine shimmery shimmer. But it's a really gorgeous colour. I didn't spend very long on that. I did go in too dry. Oh my god, I mean, who treats their brush like that? Don't do that. Don't do that to your brushes. I am a qualified tech, I promise. But I was so used to working with a dry system that I've literally like a child, just chucked my brush straight in there. Look at it. Makes me cringe. Don't treat your brush like that. That's not okay. Don't do it. Anyway, Jade is a spectacular colour. It's crazy pigmented. It's like a deep aqua green. Stunning colour. Look at that. Look at the density of the colour. It's actually really beautiful. It's actually one of the only flat colours that I chose as well. Here's Shiva. Shiva is a super lush royal blue fine glitter pre-mixed acrylic. There isn't really a lot to say about it. It's stunning. I tell you what though, that glitter that tub's just packed. It's packed full of glitter, which is amazing. And then everything else after this swatch is packed full of that glitter as well. It literally just got everywhere from that point on. Followed me around. Just wanted to stick to me. So this is more what it would look like with a clear cap. All of the colours and the glitters need to have a clear cap to add your strength and your structure. But it is so sparkly, so super shiny, as you'll see, and all the other colours that have a little bit of blue glitter in them, which I don't really mind, because, you know, the more glitter the better, really. This one's the one that I cropped out of the first picture, which is Mystery. Now, Mystery is like a chocolate brown colour, and I had Mystery right from the beginning, and then a couple of weeks ago one of our WowBao promoters, Gem, did a set with Mystery in gel polish, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. And although I already had it, I hadn't really used it, because I think you see a colour like this and you think, oh okay, what am I going to use that in? Or maybe autumn or winter. But actually the set she did was just stunning, and since then I've had loads of nail inspo. That is a really gorgeous colour, and it will work well in so many sets, especially if you pair it up with like metallics of the Liqueur collection, or the like gold glitter, more glitter, all the glitter. Okay, let's move back to a shimmer and a really dry bead, because that's obviously where I'm going with this video, on that tiny little brush. I will say, now I've got the WowBao brushes, which are bigger brushes. They're a 14 and a 16 at the recording of this video. That's what we have for sale. They are bigger brushes and they are flat, they're not pointed. Because they hold a bit more monomer, they work really well with the system. I was a bit put off by the bigger brushes, but actually I can't believe it took me so long to move over to a bigger brush. They're just perfect, they work so well. Teal shimmer is obviously a shimmer, has a really fine sort of gold shimmer to it, and obviously I'm just pushing away the Shiva glitter. Get over to the website to have a look at that one, because they've got a swatch under better lighting than me, and it's far better. It's far better than I've done there. Never enough, because there really literally is going to be never enough glitter, and if you know me then you know that, because I'm a magpie and I love it. And I love this one. It's the, oh my god, it's just so sparkly, so sparkly. I love it, I love it, he loves it, I do. And then I do a bit of lamp fiddling. It's like diamonds. It's like, oh, I don't know. There's my lamp, look, and you'll see it again. Shall we show you again? No? Okay, it's made its appearance, it's done for the day, done its work. That been in shot, been out of shot. That doesn't do it any justice at all, because that pop stick has just dulled it down. So I'll show you underneath. This is like it would be on the nail, with a thin clear cap of crystal clear, and then the high shine non-white, no, diamond shine. That's why I have to say it slowly, look, because I absolutely fluff it up. But I'm going to leave this in because, well, because I'm not doing it again. Diamond shine non-white top coat. See, can say it. There you go. Unicorn. Let's move to some iridescent glitter and try not to say things that confuse Lisa too much. I faff around loads with this and fluff it right up, again, I'm not taking it out of the video because I was playing, and I do like to play with glitter. Don't treat your glitters like this though. They're not for that. They're for making stuff with. They're not for just fuzzing around. It's really good, this glitter, because it's a clear base, so it's such a multi-purpose. My lamp fiddling skills leave something to be desired, because it's really not doing it any justice at all. Again, the pop stick has dulled it down a little bit. I should have done it on the top. I might redo it. Should I redo it? Let me know in the comments. Should I do it? Should I redo it? That's more what it looks like on the nail. Actually really sparkly rather than really dull, but I actually like chunky glitter under matte top coat, so you know, that's my excuse. I'm sticking to it anyway. It's not because I'm tight with top coat or anything. So I ordered Snowfall as well at the time, and if anybody's surprised that I got 12 free acrylics and 10 of them were glitters, then you just don't know me at all, really. Snowfall is really beautiful. It's really delicate. I don't really know what else to say about it. It's delicate, it's iridescent, it's got a clear base, so again it can go over everything. And all my clients get glitter in one way or another, whether they really like it or not. I kind of just jam it in their sets. It's like you could just put a little bit of this over anything, and it's kind of like a glitter top coat. That's how I sell it. Don't sell it, I just do it. They love it. They all love it. But yeah, Snowfall. I would say Snowfall is a must to have in your kit, because it's gorgeous and beautiful all year round. Laser. Okay, so this is really special. And my little magpie heart was just a full at this point. If you are a tech and you do not have laser, why? What in the actual heck? Look at it. It's all chunky, holographic-y, gorgeous-y, lovely, shiny sparkliness. Look at the lamp fiddling, and look what it does to it. Look at it. Look at this. Go and buy it. Buy it and I'll stop singing in my videos. How's that for a deal? So that's naff. Don't even look at that. The pop stick just killed it. I'll have to redo that because that just makes me sad. I'm going to show you the actual pot of glitter because I was literally blown away by this. This is just my nail lamp, remember. There's no... I'm so rubbish at editing. There's no Photoshop here. This is literally what it looks like under the light. It's so pretty, and I shake it and that glitter just goes everywhere and literally lives with me still to this day from that shake. It doesn't leave. It just gets everywhere. You don't even want to know where I was finding that for days after that. You don't even want to know. And I'm playing with it there like a child. It was in the kids' dinner at one point. But who doesn't like sparkly sausage and mash? Because, you know. Anyway, I don't advise you eat it. Don't eat it. Please don't put it in the kids' dinner. It's not like a seasoning. Although. Time Warp. Moving on. Time Warp is really lush. It's a smoky grey. It's kind of got a really deep blue tinge to this sort of smoky grey glitter. You can see it better on the pop stick, as I will show you in a minute. I'll just stop ranting rubbish and shake me glitter at you. Really pretty. If you head over to my Instagram, I have used this in a few sets, so you'll be able to get a better idea. I've used all of them, I think, on Instagram now. And I do list on Insta all of the products and all of the colours. And if you have any questions about any colours, ask them down in the comment section. Head over to Instagram, ask me there. Send me a DM, whatever you like, really. Whatever you like. Look at that. Shiny. I love it. So I've got one more to show you, and that's Night Sky. And it's called Night Sky because it looks like the sky at night. That's it. Okay, bye guys, thanks. Not really, I'm just joking. But yeah, it's lush. It's a black acrylic with chunky holographic little pieces in. I'm trying to show you how gorgeous this is by kind of jamming the pot up the lens of the camera, which I'm sure you really appreciate, but it doesn't do it to the justice it deserves. And this pop stick is all scratched and rubbish, and I don't really know what I'm doing here, like in general in life really. So that's all of my colours. I hope you enjoyed me ranting rubbish. If you've got any questions or suggestions for videos, put them in the comments, and until next time, I will see you later. Ta-da!